welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing the cloth and paper September subscription box. Sorry guys, forgot what month it was again. So this just came in the mail, so we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so we have our what's inside card that breaks everything down, and then there is a reference guide on the back that I am going to be referring to. So first item in the box is the new reflection dashboard set. So let's open these up and take a look at these. I will mention everything in this box is in the A5 size. That is my preferred size at the moment. So these they're kind of like the daily mindset vellum dashboards that came out last year or maybe earlier this year. So it's a daily, weekly, and monthly half dash with just a few affirmations on here. After that, we have the two new dashboards. So we have the Believe dashboard and the Purpose dashboard. Oh, sorry, this one was upside down. So these are front and back. I actually like the Believe dashboard. It's been a while since I've liked a dashboard in the sub boxes. I feel like, nope, that's a lie. I like the travel one. I just like the more minimal newspaper style one. I'll probably destash this one. I'll go over everything that I'm destashing at the end of the video, but we have those two. After that, we have the inserts. So there is the mental wellness insert. So it does look like this is another mental health box, which I believe that was the theme in the last box, and I think the box before that. So I'm probably going to destash a lot of stuff in this box, to be completely honest with you guys. So on here you have focus, positive affirmations, mindful intentions, free thoughts, and then on the back it's the same thing. So they're front and back of the same style. And then you also get the horizontal weekly inserts for November. And I took them out of my planner, but I'll try and insert a photo here so y'all can see what they look like if y'all haven't seen the other unboxings lately. It's just the same insert just for November. After that, you have the 30-day journal, and this is the mindful journal. Again, this is something I'm going to be destashing. I don't use the journals. So we have this journal belongs to. It tells you how to use it. You have monthly expectations. So you have morning and evening to write down feelings and accomplishments and gratitude. And then it's just 30 of these pages. And let's see what's in the back. And then you have a monthly reflection and then a note page in the back. The next item are the new mood tracker half sticky notes. So there's 25 sheets each, and then you have two little half sticky notes. And this could also be used as a habit tracker, and it's like a more condensed one. But then you also have today's mood. So this is probably really good for journaling. You can probably also add them into the 30-day journal if you want to just keep notes on the sticky note and transfer it from your planner to your journal. We have that. And then for the planner cards, so these are all of the cards that you get. That is everything inside of the box, and to be completely honest, I think I'm going to destash everything just because it's going to be easier to destash the entire box as opposed to keeping one or two things. Recently, I did take out the weekly horizontal inserts because I found another set of inserts from Infinite Lotus that I prefer to use instead, and so I'm no longer using these. I honestly was only using them because they came in the sub box, so I was just kind of forcing myself to use them, and now I'm just going to start destashing them with everything else. With that being said, I also want to address a common question. So I know I shared like my thoughts on, you know, my, like, this isn't my style anymore, but I'm not trying to like put cloth and paper down or anything. I think I love the style. I think it's cute, but it's just not my style. And so when I say I'm destashing it, I'm not trying to like deter anyone from doing, you know, keeping it. But because I've been destashing a lot of stuff recently, I have been getting questions on if I'm gonna stop sharing these sub box videos, if I'm gonna unsubscribe, and the answer is no. So I'm going to continue to subscribe to the sub box because I like sharing this content with you guys. Honestly, if I wasn't a content creator, I probably would have stopped ordering the sub box and just go month to month whenever I like to sneak peek. But because I know a lot of people like that I share this every single month, they know I'm going to share it every single month and it's consistent. For that reason and for you guys, I'm going to continue to do the sub box. It's also I like the fact that I can get a lot of items firsthand. So with sub boxes, it's hit or miss. And so for me, this was a miss. However, there are a lot of months where there is a hit and it's worth it. And even though this was a miss, I still got first access to everything so I can choose. And so to me, it's worth it in that aspect as well. But I do want to let y'all know that I am going to continue to subscribe, and I am going to share these every single month. I actually just renewed for another 3 months because it's cheaper when we do the 3 months, just throwing that out there. Yeah, just wanted to let y'all know that. Other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to let me know, and thank you guys so much for watching.